What's up guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video we are going to talk about top 3 certification for beginners to get into cyber security. So we are going to talk about what are the advantages of having a certification, what exactly a certification or a course does to you basically if you are a student or if you are someone who is trying to get a job into information security. So we are going to talk about the importance of certification, what are the things that you will learn in the certification process and everything. And also I am going to suggest you top 3 certification for getting a job into cyber security. So please watch this video till the end to get a better idea. And if you are new to my channel, then please go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit like, do share this video with everybody so that they get to know about the information, because we need more people in cyber security. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to take into consideration is what is the something that you like most in information security. So if we talk about information security, there are different chapters, or I would say there are different areas. Things like you can go for Android security, you can go for mobile security, you can go for exploit development or malware analysis, there are network security. So there are multiple line or multiple area that you can choose for to go on information security. But before that, you need to figure out, do you really like information security, or are you someone who tends to forget time when they jump into information security? Now, I have seen people who get overhyped by looking some of the Facebook posts or Twitter posts, like people getting $3,000 or $5,000 USD bug bounty. So don't consider that it is really that simple to get a 5,000 or 10,000 USD bug. So if somebody has got that amount of bug bounty, that means he has worked pretty hard in the behind to get a bug of that worth. So he must have his passion, or he must have his learning tenacity to get a bug bounty worth that worth. So that is what something you need to have, rather than looking at the bug bounty or other thing. Now another thing I have also seen, most probably in the students, they typically think to directly go for OSCP or offensive security certification. Now don't be someone who is directly go into this OSCP certification. Be someone who want to learn the basics, who want to know the network, TCP, IP, web application, HTTP, HTTPS, all those things basics. If you are someone who is an engineering student, do focus on your engineering study material. Like you have the networking one of the semester, you will have like where you learn this OSI model, network topology and all those things. So focus on the basics really well, and if you are really enjoying the learning into the information security, then only jump into information security, because it is quite huge topic and there are so many different branches to it. So first decide, are you really someone who is interested to information security, then go for any certification. Now once you decided that you want to be a information security guy, so I have seen some of my friends who are into company like Microsoft. My friend Abhishek is in Microsoft. There are guys like Sagar, one of my close friend, who is in Flipkart. There are some of my friends like Pratap, who is in foreign country. So there are a lot of my friends who might not have done, or who has not done any certification in the beginning of their career. They had the tenacity to learn, they have the dedication towards learning something, they wanted to know something, know the basics really well to get that level, right? So you need to focus on your basics really well. If you know the basics and you have cracked a job, then you can slowly build up your skills and add more skill into it and become a professional. So first thing, cyber security certification is not everything. So if you can still get a good job if you know the basics really well. So keep your ready skills, learn the basics, again all those things, right? Now let's talk about some of the certification advantages. So if you are having your certification in your resume, some of the company basically filter out for the guys who have done some of the certification, like let's say CEH or something, and then they pick up the candidate. So you need to feel, if you are in such kind of scenarios, then you might get lucky to get a job by showing your certification. Again, even if you are having your certification, you will be filtered differently. Like the interviewer will ask you some of the specific questions that you need to answer to get a job. So you need to learn everything really well if you are taking any certification. Now the another important point is, most of the people what they do is like they will directly go for OSCP or something. Don't do that. Learn the basics. So I am going to suggest you 3 certifications. Again, as I said, certification will only give a slight bit advantage, not everything, but slight bit advantage on with respect to the other 50 to 60 candidates if you are lying, right? So So if you are having some certification, it is always good. If you are not, still if you are having your basics really well, then that is also really great. I am going to suggest you 3 certification to get a job in cybersecurity, or 3 certification for beginners. The first one is PTS, or penetration testing for students, which is designed by your eLearn Security. It's really great. The study material is really awesome, and I think they charge around 300 to 400 USD. I think 400 USD for 30-hour lab, and 400 I think 500 USD for 60-hour lab. So based on your budget, you can go for that certification. Again, the study material is really free. I will put a link in my description box how you can avail the free study material from PTS. It's a really great course, very well designed. So please go ahead, if you are a student, then go through those study material. You will definitely find it really helpful. The second course that I was going to suggest is like CompTIA Security Plus or Pentest Plus. So CompTIA has also really great material. I have seen it. One of my friend was going through the CompTIA Security, so it's really great. You can also go for CompTIA Security. However, the exam is more of on theory basis, so you need to memorize a lot of things really well, so that you can answer any question basically an interviewer asks you. So CompTIA Security Plus or Pentest Plus or any certification from CompTIA is also really great for a beginner. Again, the charges is around, I guess, 200 to 300 USD. So I tried to get some sponsorship from these guys like eLearn or CompTIA, but unfortunately we didn't get, because my channel is really small. So once we grow in future, probably we will definitely sponsor some students or someone who is really interested to know information security. So I will definitely keep that my word, like I will definitely try sponsor someone for the certification if our channel grow. Now the third one in category is, I would say, the CEH. I think CEH V10 or 11, whichever is going on. Again, it is really great for the students. Basically they are more of into bookish kind of, so guys who read the books and from their semester and other thing and go for the exam. So just like that, CEH is also another, Certified Ethical Hacker is also another great course. Really nice, the theory, all those things that they have explained, but the final exam is again multiple choice based. But if you are having good knowledge, or if you have learned everything really well, then probably you can go for the CEH final exam and get your certification. Again, CEH cost around 500 USD. I don't know the current price. Probably you can Google and find out better. There are some of the coupons also available. You can get and try apply, so that you can do this CEH course. So this is pretty much about all those top 3 certification. Now if you are someone who feels like there are some of the more better certification that is available for students, please do write in the comment. Now this video is not about like the person who is looking for the free cybersecurity certification. We'll make another video on that, like how to you can get some of the free study material or free cybersecurity certification in a different video, where we will talk about everything in details. But for this video, I think this is the only 3 certification that I am going to recommend everyone. The first one from eLearn, the PTS. Second one is from the CompTIA. Either you can go for CompTIA Network Security, Pentest Plus, Application Security, or Security Plus. The third one is your CEH. So I hope you like this video. Again, thanks for watching this video for the complete time. And if you have any query, if you are students who need any help with anything or any kind of question with respect to cybersecurity, please do write in the comment box so that I can try answering. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.